Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay, in these special occasions, we will learn about sentence varieties. And this meetings, the material is still continuing the previous materials. As far as you know that in our previous material last week, we learn about sentence varieties in English. There are 4 sentence varieties in English. The 2 of them have been discussed by us last week. First is simple sentence, and the second is compound sentence. The pattern of simple sentence, when you remember well about the explanations delivered by me, simple sentence is made up a single combinations of subject and verbs. Better for you to relearn again about that. And then the second type we call as compound sentence. The pattern of compound sentence is simple sentence plus simple sentence. In the middle of the simple sentence, there will be a comma and joining words. The joining word, there are 7 joining words in compound sentence, could be used by writers. They are and, but, or, nor, so, yet, for. Better for you also to learn more about compound sentence. And in these special occasions, we learn about complex sentence and compound complex. The first one that will be learned by us is complex sentence. Complex sentence in bahasa Indonesia, we are familiar with kalimat bertingkat. A complex sentence is made up of a simple sentence, a complete statement, and a statement that begin with a dependent words. There are so many dependent words. You could see from the tables. So complex sentence itu adalah terbentuk dari simple sentence ditambahkan dengan pernyataan yang diawali dengan dependent word. Itu definisi dari complex sentence. There are so many dependent words that could be chosen by you. After, although, though, us, because, before, even though, how, if, even if, in order that, since, that, so that, unless, until, what, whatever, when, whenever, where, wherever, whether, which, whichever, while, whose, who. A complex sentence is used when you want to emphasize one idea over another in a sentence. Look at the following complex sentence. Because I forgot the times, I missed the final exam. I missed the final exam is simple sentence. Why simple sentence? Because it is consists of one single combinations of subject and verb. The subject is I, verb is miss. Jadi ingat, complex sentence terbentuk dari simple sentence, ini namanya simple sentence, dan pernyataan yang diawali and statement that begin with dependent word. Jadi pernyataan yang diawali dengan dependent word is because I forgot the times. The dependent word is because. Jadi rumusnya complex sentence adalah simple sentence plus pernyataan yang diawali dengan dependent word-nya. Pada kesempatan kali ini dependent word-nya adalah berupa because. That idea, the idea that the writer want to emphasize here is I miss the final exam. Jadi ide yang mau ditekankan adalah I miss the final exam is expressed as a complete thought. The less important, yang tidak penting, idenya adalah because I forgot the times, ya. So when you delete because forgot the times, kalau kalian menghapus ini, ya, you delete this ones, ya. You only leave I miss the final exam. It is a complete sentence, ya. Itu namanya complete sentence, ya. Okay, but it is different when you delete these ones, ya. You delete I miss the final exam and you write because I forgot the times, ya. Kalau seperti itu nanti that will appear fragment. Nanti akan muncul yang namanya fragments. Oke. The technique of giving one idea less emphasis than another, it is called subordination. Jadi teknik yang digunakan untuk menekankan bahwa ada ide yang lebih penting daripada ide yang lain namanya adalah subordination. Okay. Another examples. While Aisha was eating breakfast, she began to feel sick. Ya, this is the simple sentence and this is the dependent word. The statement that is begun with dependent word. Dependent word-nya berupa while. Ya, ini namanya adalah complex sentence. Kalau dependent word, if the dependent word appear first in a sentence, you should separate with a comma. Jadi kalau ada dependent word ditulis di awal, maka harus dipisahkan dengan namanya koma. Nah, ini harus ada komanya. If there is no comma, there will be a fragment. Ya. No fragment, sorry, that will result run on. Jadi kalau tidak ada komana nanti akan muncul run on karena tidak ada tanda bacanya. Oke, ya. Second example, I checked my money before I invited Pedro for lunch. Ya, I checked my money is a simple sentence. Ini adalah simple sentence. Ya. Rumusnya adalah simple sentence plus statement that begin with dependent word. Mana statement yang diawali dengan dependent word? Before I invited Pedro for lunch. Before, ya. The dependent word is before. Okay? Because of the statement that begin with dependent word come, ya, after simple sentence, so there will not be a comma, ya. Tidak ada namanya koma to break between simple sentence and another statement. Jadi ini tidak boleh ada komanya kalau dependent word-nya muncul di belakang. If you add a comma here, ya, nanti kalau kalian menambahkan koma di sini, nanti muncul namanya fragment, ya. Oke. Sorry, not fragment but run on, sorry. Jadi nanti kalau ada komanya di sini nanti muncul namanya run on. Ya, muncul di sini tidak boleh. Ya, jadi kalau dependent word-nya di depan itu harus dipisah dengan koma, tetapi kalau dependent word-nya ada di tengah maka tidak perlu ada namanya koma. Okay, another example. When Jerry lost his temper, he also lost his job. Ya, koma here. Ya, the simple sentence is he also lost his job. Ya, because of the more important idea is the simple sentence. Ya. Okay, another example is although I practice for 3 months, I fail my driving test. Ya, okay, ya. Joining word, dependent word is although. Okay, is it clear for you, class? Ya, okay. I ask to you to please do activity 4 and please read the directions. We discuss it in a virtual meeting or in a WhatsApp group. Ya, please do activity 4 and do also activity 5. Ya. Oke. For activity 6, ya, complex sentence, ya, sometimes it is combined with who, which or that. Jadi kadangkala complex sentence itu dia gabungkan dengan who, which atau that. Ya. Combine the following simple sentences into complex sentences, ya. Jadi kombinasikan simple sentence, gabungkan simple sentence dengan ke dalam complex sentence. Omit the repeated word, ya. Hilangkan kata yang diulang. Use the dependent word who, which or that. Who refers to a person, ya ingat, who menunjukkan ke orang, which refer to things, only things, and then that refer to a person or things. Jadi yang bisa digunakan dua-duanya adalah that. For example, Clyde picked up a hitchhiker. Ya, Clyde picked up a hitchhiker. The hitchhiker was traveling around the world. Temukan kata yang sama. Kata yang sama adalah hitchhiker. Ya, hitchhiker dan hitchhiker. Maka salah satu dari kata yang sama dicoret nanti nulisnya. Surat. Ya, ini dicoret berarti. Ayo, yang bawah dicoret. Ya. Oke. Jadi akan seperti ini kalau mengcombine. Clyde pick up a hitchhiker. Ingat, hitchhiker itu person atau things. Karena kan hitchhiker is a person, you should use who. Nah, maka menggunakan who di sini, ya. Who. The Clyde pick up a hitchhiker who was traveling around the world. Ya. Kalau pakai which salah. Kalau pakai that true. Ya, karena that could be a person or things. Oke. Larry is a sleepwalker. Larry is my brother. Kata yang sama adalah Larry, maka salah satu harus dihapus. Ya, oke. Larry, ya, koma. Kata sambungnya mana? Ya, Larry is a person, maka menggunakan who. Larry, koma, who is my brother is a sleepwalker. Ya, oke. So please do also activity 6. Okay, the last discussion is compound complex sentence. A compound complex sentence is made up of two simple sentences and one or more dependent statement. Compound complex sentence dalam bahasa Indonesia adalah kalimat majemuk bertingkat. Itu terdiri dari dua simple sentence dan satu atau lebih dependent statements, ya. Oke, jadi intinya sederhana, compound plus complex itu saja rumusnya aslinya. Oke, for example, when the power line snapped, ya, ini menjadi dependent statement. Kenapa? Karena diawali dengan dependent word when. Ya, karena ini di depan, maka harus dipisah dengan koma. Jack was listening to the stereo. Ini simple sentence yang pertama, dihubung harus ada koma dan joining word. Ya, jadi intinya compound complex rumusnya adalah compound sentence plus dependent sentence. And Linda was reading in bed. Ya, kalau kalian menulis hanya when the power line snap, Jack was listening to the stereo full stop and you delete this ones, ya. Itu nanti namanya bukan compound complex sentence, namanya hanya complex sentence. Karena hanya terdiri dari dependent statement dan simple sentence. Jadi kalau dalam compound complex sentence, simple sentencesnya harus dua, yang nanti dipisah dengan menggunakan koma dan joining word. Oke. After I returned to school following a long illness, the math teacher gave me make-up work, but the history teacher made me drop her course. Ya. Mana dependent statementnya? After I return to school following a long illness. Di sini ada muncul namanya dependent wordnya after. Harus dipisah dengan menggunakan koma. Lah mana compoundnya? Compound sentence-nya ini dia compound sentence-nya. Ya, the math teacher gave me make up work, joining wordnya but. Ya. Kalau kalian menghapus ini salah satu but ini dihapus, jadinya bukan compound complex sentence, tapi jadinya adalah complex sentence. Okay, easy, right? Okay, and then please, for activity 7, I suggest to you please make 2 compound complex sentences. Tolong buat 2 kalimat compound complex, kalimat majemuk bertingkat, dan kita bahas di grup. Thank you.